If you cut an outlet in a rice terrace at a higher elevation, water can naturally flow downhill and irrigate the entire series of terraces. But if the water source is located at the very bottom of the terraces, you'll have no choice but to carry water uphill in wooden buckets, trudging back and forth along steep field ridges. Before long, your shoulders ache, you're drenched in sweat, and the small amount of water you can carry barely irrigates any land. Being clever, you build a long wooden trough along the edge of the terrace and use a rope to pull buckets of water upward, eliminating the need to climb the slope repeatedly. However, each trip still carries only one bucket, so you connect several buckets together on the same rope, allowing a single pull to transport much more water. Efficiency improves significantly, but the combined weight of the full buckets quickly exhausts your arms, making it difficult to keep working. Then you borrow the principle of a Wells pulley system and install a rotating axle to make lifting easier. Even so, after every load you still have to haul the rope back manually, making the entire process slow and labor-intensive. So you come up with a better idea. You install another wheel beneath the water and connect both ends of the rope into a continuous loop. But as the heavy wooden buckets rise, they frequently get stuck. After giving it some thought, you replace all the wooden buckets with lightweight bamboo tubes. Now, all you have to do is turn a hand wheel at the top. The endless rope rotates continuously. The bamboo tubes dip into the water and fill automatically, then rise steadily to the top. As each tube reaches the highest point, it tips over on its own, emptying the water directly into the uppermost terrace, from where it flows downhill and irrigates every field below. Congratulations, you've invented the high-lift tube water wheel. But after long hours of turning the hand wheel, your back and waist still become sore. What you really want is a machine that works without human effort. So you dismantle the high-lift tube water wheel and start over. This time, you build a giant wheel in the river, supported by a sturdy wooden axle mounted between two heavy posts. You cut sections of bamboo, seal one end to create water containers, and fasten them evenly around the rim of the wheel, with all the openings facing the water channel. The flowing river itself pushes against the wheel, causing it to rotate continuously. As each bamboo tube enters the water, it fills automatically. When it reaches the highest point, it tips over and pours its water into an irrigation channel. Congratulations, you've invented the water-powered bucket wheel. As long as the river keeps flowing, the wheel keeps turning, lifting water around the clock and providing a continuous, fully automatic irrigation system.